Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of a Magtame USB cable. It's USB Type-C to Type-C, which you can use for charging and data, which is magnetic. It automatically coils. So this is a really cool product. Thanks to Magtame for sending us this review sample. I'll be putting it through its paces over the next few days, but let's start off with the unpackaging. Packaging is pretty simple. It's a cardboard box with some extra details on which version of it is. In this case, it says C to C, and there's also a sticker that says that it's a 240 watt cable. Now, there are lots of different versions or variants of this cable. You can get the 66 watt version or 60 watt version on the Amazon UK site, but in this case it seems to be the 240 watt, and I'll be testing it with our trusty VoltMe 140 watt charger to see how it performs. Now, packaging, as I said, is super simple. There's not even a leaflet inside the box, it's just an empty box. And then you have the cable. Now, if you watch the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel frequently, you know that a lot of the cables that we test have essentially have cable tie, these little wires or Velcro straps to keep the cable tidy. This doesn't have that, yet it remains a nicely rounded circle. That's because the braided material that is around the cable is magnetic. So yes, it stretches out and it goes that way, but then you just do this and it sticks together because it's magnetic. This is really, really cool. And I think this is going to be really, really useful in the context of me packing for travel. As I said, it's USB Type-C. It's plastic joints around the USB Type-C connector itself. It has rubberized connection between that magnetic braided cable and the USB Type-C head. And as you can see, it fits around nicely. Now, one of the things I've seen on other YouTube videos about the Magtame cable is that you can also attach that to, say, a metal table leg to keep it tidy and not have it on the ground. Let me just test that. Yep, it works. So it works on my desk. Really, really impressive. So let's take our VoltMe 140 watt charger. I'm going to be plugging it into one of the two USB Type-C ports. And this is a 1 meter cable, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, this is the 1 meter cable. You can, on Amazon UK, also purchase this as a 1.5 meter cable. And according to the packaging, there is also a 2 meter cable option. So first things, we're going to take the Type-C port and pop it into, whoops, we're going to pop it into what is my Google Pixel 7a. So it says it's charging, and most importantly, it says that it's charging rapidly. So this obviously shows that the cable not only charges and it has a quick connectivity to the charger, it also indicates that it charges rapidly. There you go, I've already charged 1%. Obviously the Google Pixel 7a is not the fastest charging phone in my stable. We have faster charging phones such as the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Let's see how that does. Does it recognize this as a fast charging cable? And yes, it does. It says that it's charging rapidly, so all good there. Now, obviously, USB Type-C is an almost universal connector at this point. Let's see how it works with my MacBook. So this is my 15-inch MacBook Air. We've already done a couple of videos on YouTube about the device. Plug it in, and you can see that it's already charging. So all as expected there. Great. So I think with 3 devices, we've just validated that it actually works. I'll need to take this away, use it for a while, leave it on extended charges to see if it overheats anything, if there's any issues in that way, and I will be back with a few more updates and my final review. Now, obviously, there's an ad coming up. If you would like to support the Tech Travel Geeks, you could watch that. Another way you can support us is by subscribing if you aren't already, and dropping a like. Also, let us know your thoughts of this initial unboxing part of the video, and we'll be back soon. See you soon. Okay then, so I'm back, and after almost 2 weeks of using the Magtame cable that Magtame very kindly provided us for review, I have my thoughts to share with you. I really like this cable. I've gone out of my way to use it with all my devices that support USB Type-C, whether that's my Lenovo Chromebook, my Windows HP laptop, my MacBook Air, my MacBook Pro that I use for work, and my series of smartphones. This cable has worked perfectly well. It works well, it doesn't get warm, it does a good job of things, and overall I'm very happy with it. As a lazy person, someone who's just naturally lazy, I love the fact that I can just quickly turn it into a wrapped around cable and just throw it in my bag. I don't need to worry about Velcro cable ties or anything like that. As you see, all I have to do is go whack, and it's ready to go in the bag. That's really handy. It's magnetic, it can just hold itself up on my fridge door, and as well as that, it's a handy way to get your loose bottle tops on the table without having to actually use your fingers. It's a fun little party trick, which I quite enjoyed. So, another thing is, whilst telling my friends about this and showing them the Magtame cable, was the fact that it is nothing to do with Donald Trump's MAGA campaign. It's Magtame, there's no extra A in the middle there. So just bear that in mind. It's not a red baseball cap. It is a magnetic USB Type-C cable, which I find really handy for traveling or commuting, and just quickly being able to let go of it, have it fold up and go in your bag. So really good product here. As usual, what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description where you can purchase this on Amazon. It is an affiliate link. I'll also link to Magtame's own website where you can look at their full range of products. So let us know what you think. If you have any further questions about this Magtame cable, I think magnetic cables like these have their place in a travel bag. They're very useful in that way. And I think we'll be covering more of not only Magtame's magnetic cables, but other brands here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. So, as I said, if you have any questions, you'd like to let us know your thoughts, leave a comment in the section below, and we'll do our best to get back to you. So thanks for watching if you made it this far in the video. As I said, to summarize, good cable, I like it, it works. So do with that what you will. If you'd like to see more of our reviews of consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, even fashion items, things we think makes the travel experience better, do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And as usual, likes are appreciated on our videos. And if you'd like to know anything else, as I said earlier, leave us a comment in the section below. But for now, thanks again for watching if you made it this far, and goodbye from us.